Welcome. In this video we will learn about multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance is also possible in Python, unlike other programming languages. You can inherit a derived class from another derived class. This is known as multi-level inheritance. In Python, multi-level inheritance can be done at any depth. This is the figure shows base class on the top. Derived class has been containing the features of base class and also the properties of derived class 1. See the derived class 2 and has the properties of the base class and derived 1 class properties, and also contains the properties of derived class 2. Now let's see one program on this. I have already done script for this. Open multilevel inheritance.py. Create one class called animal. Define one function there called eat. Define one message here. Create another class dog and inherit the animal properties there. Call the function bark and print one message here. Create another class called baby dog and inherit the dog class. Define one function called weep and write one message here. You should call the object instance there. Now call all the function here using single object instance. Let's move to the output now. Open the terminal, change the directory to desktop. Run the command as python multilevel inheritance.py. You can see that it accessed all new classes and it is displaying the message I have defined here. That's all in this video on multilevel inheritance in Python. Thank you for watching this video.